Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Toyota Tundra headlight. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Once you have your tools ready, open the hood of your Tundra. Look for the two bolts located on the top of the headlight assembly. These are usually quite visible. Carefully use your ratchet and socket to loosen and remove these two top bolts. This is your first step towards freeing the headlight. Now that the top bolts are out, you'll need to access some hidden fasteners. This means removing the front grille. Start by carefully detaching any plastic clips or screws that hold the grille in place. These are often found along the top edge and sometimes on the sides. Once the grille is loose, gently pull it away to reveal more bolts. You should find additional bolts securing the headlight assembly that were previously hidden. Remove these to further loosen the unit. With all the bolts removed, the headlight assembly should now be loose. Gently pull the entire unit forward, creating a small gap between the headlight and the vehicle's body. This space allows you to access the electrical connections. Carefully disconnect all the wiring harnesses and electrical connectors attached to the back of the headlight. Take your time to ensure you don't damage any wires. Once everything is disconnected, you can carefully slide the entire headlight unit completely out of its housing. To reinstall your new headlight, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Carefully slide the new headlight into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect all the electrical connectors and wiring harnesses firmly. Then, secure all the bolts you removed, starting with the hidden ones and finishing with the top two. Make sure everything is tightened properly for a secure fit. And hey, while you're working on your Tundra, remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.